Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make strawberry tart. Let's get started. To make the pastry, I use all-purpose flour or plain flour. Add a little salt. Add some sugar. Sift the flour, salt, and sugar together into a bowl. Transfer them into a stand mixer. Add some cold and salty butter. Keep the machine at medium speed. When you have fine crumbs, add 1 beaten egg. Mix to stiff paste, then turn off the machine. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. For my recipe, I used an 8-inch diameter tart pan. Flour the pan, then remove it. The mark shows how big I will roll out the dough. Roll out the pastry and make it 3 to 4 mm thickness. Transfer the pastry to the tart pan. Remove the extra, shape it into a ball. Press down the surface, adjust it to the tart pan. Trim the surplus from the edges. Press down the surface, make it even and smooth. Break the base by a fork. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Prepare 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Add some sugar to the eggs. Add some lukewarm milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, then give a good whisk. Filter the lumps, strain into the tart pan. Bake for 15 minutes at 400. Then lower the temperature to 325 Fahrenheit and bake for another 45 minutes. Time is up, let's check it. I use strawberry for my recipe. You can use any fruits you like. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this strawberry tart cost me just over $5. I'm going to enjoy this strawberry tart with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.